Yeah, there were definitely birds. I don't know. I mean, it feels like there's encroaching urban development, so that's probably not good for the birds. That would be my thought.
I grew up in Vegas. I lived there for over 20 years and I didn't know that the Birds Preserve was there. I didn't know that until a couple years ago when I first went. And I really hope that more people living in Vegas can learn about it because I think that if more people go, then the place can get more funding and then they can, continue their preservation efforts in better ways.